Voices in my head, it's a real life struggle. Please don't bring more trouble. Why you feel so entitled? My life is not about you. Voices in my head, I got voices in my head. I wanna see my demons dead.
I'm the one man with a strength of 500 dudes. Said I'm the best, now it's time for the proof. Will it be here if it's not for the roof? That you disrespecting in front of your dudes. Fuck it with school, what you really need is a confident youth. You should disguise my loss, this love I was trying to cover the truth. But now, all I'm receiving is loud and love, trust and compliments too. I got my shots, but niggas are trying to deprive me to shoot. I have to deal with your private issues, but you make me feel like a powerless fool, behaving just like how the government do. Why is my healing troubling you? Life is a chance, but you made an approach with a cowardice move. Trapped inside of a loop, paying the price for the group. I'm trying to shine like a shoe, you're starting to sound like a fool. When I was all on a spoon, inside of your mouth, I'll tool. Open your eyes, I'll vogue. Funeka span malum, funeka squam mascom. Lot of bullshit that you got in your head. So there's a kind of gonde. You're tryna shake my hand. Mina anglazi dombe, nami ngifunela mikasi dombe.
Voices in my head, it's a real life struggle. Please don't bring more trouble. Why you feel so entitled? My life is not about you. Voices in my head, I got voices in my head. I wanna see my demons dead.
Sihleli kwistate sobugebengu, siphila emhlabeni wobugebengu. Izigebengu ezinkulu akuzona lezi ezibamba